So I got a request on Instagram recently. Yeah, somebody actually asked me to draw a dog. Somebody really wants to draw a dog, like a dog. Don't get me wrong, some dogs are actually cute and fluffy sometimes, while some are just kind of, not so good at times. So the thing is, I've never drawn a dog before, so I was kind of happy to make something like this for the first time. I don't know anything about drawing a fur because I hate drawing a fur. That is the thing I hate about drawing dogs and cats. There's a way I'm going to actually approach this fur. I'm going to stop calling it fur. I'll just be calling it dog hair so that you know I'm drawing a dog and hair. I already know how to draw a hair, so I'm going to use the same technique here. For the fur, since they are just shorter than hairs, I'm going to follow a kind of technique I call following the flow. Like following the flow. You get like, flow.
We must move with the flow of the process.
This I'm going to draw this dog hair so that you too can learn it also, and it's very easy. Alright, so grab your pen and the paper, and first of all, in a blank sheet of paper, just do something like this. Make these two lines first of all, something like this and like this. So if you make these two lines, then connect the top just like as I shown here, and then make other similar kind of line following the same line like this, but make sure all of them meet at the top on this same spot. It doesn't matter the kind of pen you use, so just follow this pattern and you'll be good. And don't worry, the dog I'm drawing is kind of cute. You won't see any ugly faces here like this one. So I'm going to start with the eyes first of all. But wait, why do I always start with the eyes? But that is because eyes is just the first thing you're going to see first, and it's more cuter. Every other thing is just static and dead. But the eyes is something that will make you know that this portrait is actually alive. So I'm going to tell you how I make this kind of watery effect on the eyes. First of all, you have to leave a blank white space. Then after filling everywhere with darkness, then you now come back to make just something random, and you just get this kind of watery effect, and it should just look cute. For the dog hairs, you just have to follow the example I've shown before, but you have to be careful with it. Of course, you want it to be realistic, so you have to be kind of gentle with it and follow the pattern or the guide exactly how I've shown before, and you get it realistic like this. Trust me, the result is very, very realistic and very, very satisfying. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, follow this channel so that next time when I'm uploading something like this, you'll be able to catch up and follow up. I'm just going to skip to the best part here and just continue with the next eyes, because I don't want you to watch where I'm drawing the hairs one after the others. So just finish this next eye here. Oh boy, if this is my first time drawing something like this and I got it this perfect, that means I'm going to do something like this again. I bet you I'm going to try something like this again, maybe with a cat, because I don't like dog. I don't know, I hate dogs. Let me know in the comment section if you like dog or cats, so that I will know what to draw next, either cat or dog. If you follow this process I just shown, you'll be able to come up with something realistic like this in a couple of days, because this only took me like, let's say 4 days or 3 days, something like that. Okay, keep following and see you on the next video.